Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to add credit card on your Teachable account. To add a credit card on your Teachable account, first of all, make sure that you are logged into your Teachable account. Open up a web browser and type in teachable.com and search. Also make sure to type in your login credential and sign in to Teachable. After you are logged into your Teachable account, from the main home page, click on the billing section on the left-hand side column. After you open up the billing section, go to stored credit cards option and click on add a new card. Now, you will be guided through further process. Simply follow the instructions. The card you are trying to add will be available to use for courses enrollments on schools, so make sure you enter your correct card information. Once you get to this add credit card page, go ahead and enter the name on your card, the card number, expiration date, CVC code, and select your country and enter your zip code. After filling in all of these information for your credit card, click on I'm not a robot and click on add card option. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a credit card on your Teachable account. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.